What is going on, guys? GregglesTV. This is the Winnlogy FX-8 Dashcam. Goes for about $130, and as you can see, it comes with the Dashcam and mount, so you can mount it onto your windshield or you can mount it onto your dashboard. They have some stickers that you can use that. Also comes with a GPS module, so you can track where you go. It comes with that USB power port that you plug right into your car, and that's pretty much it. It's really easy to set up and really easy to use. The camera has a 2-inch LCD display, records video in up to 1080p, and maneuvering around the menus on the cam is really easy as well. All right, guys, so I'm gonna get into the video after this, but the first part of the video is gonna be, it's pretty sunny out. The second video will be like the sun's starting to go down, and then the last one is pretty much evening time, nighttime. And a couple of things to keep in mind. When recording in sunlight, there are glaring effects. Pretty much anytime there's bright light with this camera, I notice it kind of glares out, it blows out a little bit. Other than that, though, you can read signs at times. You can read license plates. You can definitely see what's going on and where you are. So in that regard, I think it is great. I would like to see, a little bit less, glaring with the lights, and I know you can mess with the settings too much, but I don't think most people will do that, so I kind of just left it the way it is. But overall, definitely a good dash cam. So if you want to pick it up, I'll link it down below. But enjoy the video and let me know what you guys think in the comments down below.